Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 53. Mannada. Mannada. Mannada is a verb or an action word which means to meet. The word Mannada could be divided into 3 syllables. Mannada. Man is formed from the combination of the sounds of miyam, a, and niyan. Na is formed from the combination of the sounds of niyan and a, while da is formed from the combination of the sounds of dikat and a. Mannada. Let's use Mannada in a sentence. To manayo. To manayo. This sentence means, let's meet again. The word to is used to say again, and manayo is used to say let's meet. But our word for the day is Mannada. So, how did it transform into manayo? The word Mannada is considered a root verb. Therefore, if we are going to use it in a sentence, we have to transform it. The first step is to remove the da at the ending of the word. So, in case of Mannada, if we remove da, it becomes mana. And then we add yo. So, Mannada becomes manayo. Take note that we are able to add yo to mana simply because the ending sound of mana is a. The rule is, if the last letter of the verb is a or o, we can add ayo to make it a present tense verb. But if the last letter of the verb is not a or o, we should add oyo. And since Mannada without the da ends with a, we should add yo. Therefore, the present tense verb of Mannada is manayo. That's why the meaning of the sentence, to manayo, is let's meet again. And with that, you just learned Mannada. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 43 to 52. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 53 is Mannada. This is a verb which means to meet. Word number 52 is achim, and this is the Korean noun for morning. Word number 51 is sugohaseyo, which means keep up the good work. Word number 50 is chonmanayo, which means you are welcome. Word number 49 is opsoyo, which is used to say I don't have or there isn't. Word number 48 is isoyo, which is used to say I have or there is. Word number 47 is chongmal, and this is an adverb of manner, which means really. Word number 46 is miyane, and this is an informal way of saying I'm sorry. Word number 45 is chibe, and this is the Korean noun for home. Word number 44 is sigan, and this is the Korean noun for time. Word number 43 is koyangi, and this is the Korean noun for cat. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.